Hi, we're going to have a look at how to access EquatIO in a PDF. There are three ways to access PDFs with the text help tools. First, we want to open our PDF using the text help PDF reader. And then from there, we can open EquatIO. First, I will show you what it looks like in Google Classroom. So I'm logged in on the left as a teacher and on the right as a student. In the sample assignments, I have a sample PDF and I included a copy of the PDF for all of the students. Let's look at that assignment from the teacher perspective. So here I am in the grading dashboard, and I will open this assignment right here. It opens in another tab in the grading portal, and it launches the text help PDF reader right here. I can use that to annotate the document. I can also click on EquatIO, and the floating EquatIO toolbar opens up. So now let's look at the student view. So here I am in the student account. Notice the PDF is not appearing here because it was a copy that was delivered, which means it's over here under your work. And so as the student, I will click on that, and it opens in the same tab in the text help PDF reader by default. Keep in mind that we are logged into the district credentials, so we have all the extensions that are available. Now I can use the text help PDF reader to read and to mark up my document. I can also click on the EquatIO icon, and the EquatIO toolbar loads. I can use both of these toolbars together on the same document. Anything I can do in EquatIO, I can do in this PDF. So you can see I'm using the text help PDF reader tools, and then I will go and use the EquatIO tools right after that. And there it is. I just have to select it and grab the PDF annotation tool for text help. And I can move it and resize it. I have now annotated my PDF using both tools. And as soon as this is done, it is saved, and the teacher has access to this, and the student has access to reopen this. It is important to click on the back button for the student so they go back to Google Classroom. If they do forget and they close the tab and reopen it, it's fine. It will save automatically. Okay, now let's look at Google Drive. If I have a PDF in Google Drive, I can either right-click on it and choose Open With, and I'm going to choose Read and Write for Google Chrome, which is actually the text help PDF reader, or I can just double-click on it. I'll see a preview, and then with the Open With menu, I can do the same. And again, I can open EquatIO and use both tools. The final method is if you open a link from a website and it is a PDF, it will look like this. You'll have the Open with Cami button over here because we have that installed. That is the free version. And we have Open with Text Help PDF Reader over here. So we're going to click on that, and it will look exactly the same with the same toolbar, and then open EquatIO, and we have that as well to mark up our document. So those are our three methods for accessing a PDF. It has to be in the text help PDF reader, and then we can open EquatIO and use both of them together on the same document.